In the heart of the Amazon rainforest circa 600 AD, a sophisticated civilization thrived, crafting vast networks of cities connected by intricate roads. These ancient inhabitants engineered over 6,000 earthen platforms, some towering up to 10 meters, serving as foundations for homes and ceremonial centers. Their urban planning included straight streets and expansive plazas, hinting at a complex society with advanced architectural and engineering skills. Surrounding these urban hubs were meticulously managed agricultural fields showcasing their mastery over the challenging rainforest environment. This remarkable civilization flourished for centuries before fading into obscurity. See the description for a deeper dive.